Hi, I'm Dace, founder of and guitar teacher at Dace's Rockin' More Music Academy. Welcome to the first of 4 video lessons that are designed to give you all of the information that you should get during your first month of private guitar lessons. This first video is going to give you all of the information that you would most likely get during your very first guitar lesson. We're going to cover things like types of guitars, what they do, a little bit about written music, and ultimately by the end of this first lesson, you're going to have enough information to be able to play a song. It's not going to be something by Zeppelin, the Beatles, or Conway Twitty, but it will be something you recognize, and for somebody who's been playing for about 15 minutes, I think that's pretty darn cool. All right, you ready? Enough chit-chat, let's go.